Action. Guys, this happens every time. Film the report.
Sorry. Good afternoon and welcome to today's report.
Last week, our school held our second ever spelling bee competition.
Every class winner from Kinder to Year 6 competed and tried their very hardest. Can I just say that they are so brave for going up there in front of about 250 people.
I agree. They obviously are very persistent for learning about 17 pages worth of words. I think I speak for the whole school when I say we are very proud of our competitors.
Congratulations to our stage winners. They will be going on to another competition with other great spellers. Either way, we wish you guys luck.
That's about all the time we have for
Wait! Self-promo. Did you hear that we're like super famous now?
I know. Soon we're going to have to start signing autographs.
You can find us in the local Fairfield Champion newspaper, which is the issue from the 27th of June.
Now for real.
Keep watch for our next report. Bye!